In this video, I'll show you how to make your brand stand out with Amazon brand stores, drive growth, insights with the data that they provide you, and create awareness to your brand. Okay guys, so if you watched the previous videos, I started to share the numbers, and again, I'm sharing the numbers only to give you motivation on what is possible. Myself, I don't really like to share and be open like that with everyone on the internet, but I feel that by me sharing the numbers, it's really serving a higher purpose of helping more people get into Amazon, or if they're already started with their journey, just keep pushing. So let's share the numbers real from my Seller Central. So as you can, let's refresh. Okay, so we have 76 sales for the day and $1,400 and $153 or 153K for the last 30 days. Things starting to pick up a little by now. I'm sure that by Black Friday, after Black Friday and during Black Friday, Cyber Monday, the sales are going to increase dramatically. By the way, if you didn't watch the previous video, I really explain on what kind of actions you can take to be prepared to Cyber Monday, Black Friday sale, and just crush it. And welcome to this channel if it's your first time. I would like to thank you for watching this video. If you want to see more videos like this one and learn about creating a brand on Amazon, selling private label products, and creating a scalable income from anywhere in the world, start now. Subscribe to the channel so for every new video that I release, you can get an update and keep yourself updated in your journey. I hope that you will get value from this video and enjoy it. Let's start. Okay, so what is Amazon Storefront, brand Storefront? So I would look at it like a mini website or representation of your brand inside Amazon, and that help you, create more brand awareness and drive growth by more exposure to your brand and the products that you sell. The next point here would be, why should you focus on building a storefront? So first of all, I will say that from my experience, this is something that you should focus on once you get some free time. Obviously, if you watch if you watch the videos that I'm uploading here, I am a big fan or believer in sticking to the fundamentals, sticking to the things that really are going to make the biggest impact. Now, obviously, I'm trying to help you understand what is the brand storefront, but if you look at or on selling on Amazon as a whole, I would focus first on the basic things like sourcing products, managing inventory, mastering PPC. Once you are done with those, I would really free myself to focus on the brand store and expanding to new things and new feature. And believe me, there is endless things that you can do and work on, and many of them won't really make a big impact. You have to really choose where you focus on. Brand storefront, it's a great way, but you have to really prioritize. This is something that I only started to focus after like a year on me doing and selling things on Amazon, my product. So not saying that to discourage you to not work on it, but just make sure that you really master the fundamentals first. You can watch my other videos, but let's focus on this video topic on why you should focus on building a storefront. Okay, build brand awareness. So when customers visit your store, they can see your other products, and you can build more trust if you design and structure your storefront well enough. So let's just look on Amazon for examples to really demonstrate what I'm talking about. Okay, let's say gift for active kids. Okay, so let's look at this one, this toy. It should look really toy. I want it for myself. But let's click on this brand. So this brand doesn't have a storefront. Okay, so let's go back and try to locate an item that have a storefront. Okay, so this brand the same. Like they are dominating, which is really cool. So Nerf little tires. Let's look at this one. Okay, they have a brand storefront. They have a beautiful storefront. Look at it. Look at the main banner. Putting some kids, creating emotion. Very clean. I like the design. They have a trademark. Comes to life before your eyes. So, to be robot smartwatch. Anyway, look at their storefront. Really nice. They're including videos here, which is really cool. So they are really focusing more on creating like the brand image and awareness, which is great. And they also try to push some of the this item like to be robot smartwatch. But that's what it is, you know. Upsell and cross sell. So imagine that we came through this item, right, with trampoline, and you know I came to their storefront and I do see the smartwatch. Now it's not really related, but it's within the same niche. It's for kids. So imagine that you come and you're interested in this trampoline. You click on their brand, you like it, you add it to the cart, then you come up to their storefront and you might add this one because the price is good and you feel that it could be a gift, or basically they're cross-selling and upselling some other items that they have in their store. So customers can decide to buy more items when they're shopping around in their storefront for items they didn't really plan to buy, okay? PPC and traffic to your storefront. You should test sending some traffic from sponsored brand ads directly to the store and see how it's impacting your conversion and ACOS. But to do that, you need first to make sure that you have some custom landing pages and good visual storefront. So what do I mean by that? So let's go to Amazon and write down one of their items, okay? Slide bouncer, okay? So if you see here, you have this brand ads, sponsored brand ads, headline ad, and so basically you have the items itself, but you can also like click on shop or my fun, and it will take you to their storefront. So once you actually create those ads, you must make sure that the landing page or the where you're sending them is pretty relevant and your storefront is ready. So let's go to this brand. Let's click here. Let's click. I'm sorry. Yeah, let's click here. Okay, so they don't have a specific brand front like that. Let's try to look for something else. Hair, right. Okay, so this is the storefront. Yeah, so this is a different, it's a landing page, the other one that we saw. Look at this. Amazing. Beautiful storefront. Really like it. They have bath bombs. They have organic dry shampoo. They're all about cosmetics. Makes sense. Make a lot of sense. Okay, so that's how you do it, and it's a big way to drive an upsell and have people be more aware of what other items you have. And it's pretty good solution. Why? Because on Amazon exposures to storefront is is not that high. People when they shop for products, so they search, let's say, for hairbrush. They're not gonna click on your brand name usually. But if you have an ad directing them directly to your storefront, that is something else. That's like a very good way to drive traffic to the storefront, which otherwise you couldn't really have. So how to make your storefront look more professional? First of all, I would suggest having some menu pages, okay? So you see this storefront? They don't just have a home page. They also have like their old products tab. They have categories and in the menu like face, body. Of course, if you don't have enough categories, then don't use it. But if you have like different categories within the products that you sell, you can add those to the menu to make it look more professional, okay? Deals on storefront. So the deals and coupons that you have will show on storefronts. Let's click on all products and see if they have some deals and you know some programs here. So they have the subscribe and save, which is something that is not really available for our listing. I'm trying to see any promotion that they have, like coupon or any deal, which I don't see. Let's go to some other brands. Um, let's go to this one. Try to see if they okay. This is something that I'll keep that I want to show and talk about later. Okay, so you see save 5% with coupon. So you can create a coupon and it will show in a very different way than the search results on their store on your storefront. So that's something that is good to, you know, create like more engagement on the storefront pages. Okay, remove out of stock items. So if you have out of stock item, it will show in big currently unavailable, and that would make your store look not really professional. So make sure that any items that are out of stock, you remove them from the grid. And how to do it, you let me show you. Okay, so this is the seller central. Make it small here, and you go obviously to stores, manage stores, and I'm gonna click edit store here. And let's say that I have some like items like this one that are not available. The way for me to do it is to really remove the SKU. I'm using like a product grid, okay? So you can do it as well. Make sure you update your store like every 30 days. So really things change. So make sure that like every 30 days at least you go to your storefront as a buyer, as a customer from the Amazon front end, and you really look at it and see what you can improve. Maybe some items get out of stock. Maybe some items you want to promote will keep you really like on top of things, and it's really recommended to keep an eye on it and not just like set it up one time and neglect it and forget about it. It's not like that, okay? So use custom banners for specific holidays and events. So as you can see here, they're already targeting the holiday season. So you see what they're putting? They're putting some Christmas elements and giftable items, and that's great because you know they're well targeted, and most of the stores won't do that. But you can really stand out and be more professional if you create custom banners here that will put some Christmas elements, or if you create a Black Friday deals like a banner or some stuff here. And I'll show you in a moment what kind of features you can create within the storefront, which are really cool. Use custom banners for specific. Okay, highlight your product unique selling points with rich content. So you don't really have to just put products like that in a grid. You can also put some unique selling propositions of your items by highlighting them. And how you do it? So let me go here to the storefront. I will click on done, and let's add a new section. Okay, now you can add the product section. You can add an image section, which will be like a banner. I will put here like Black Friday sale or something. Let's delete it. You can add image with text, so you can put some, like I think they did it like here. They put like a background, and then they added some text. Check out and buy now, and they're like driving traffic to this hairbrush. So this is another feature. Let's delete. Let's see what else is available. Just shoppable image. You can just upload another banner. Add new section. Text, video, like we saw before. Gallery. Let's see the gallery. This gallery supports between 3 to 8 images. So this is great, just showing and featuring more pictures, maybe lifestyle images of specific product, video, background video, product grid, best-selling product. This is a nice section that I might add. You know what? Let me add it here and put it first. Okay. I want to add it, you know. And as you can see, I also need to put some work here because not all, like the features that I'm like seeing here are new to me as well. And you know, you should definitely add and tweak it. Depends on your brand, depends on what kind of media files you have, videos and things like that. So this is a real feature that you can use now to create more awareness and more sales. So I'll submit it for publishing. Okay. Get your own web address with like so I don't know if you know that, but for example, you see this line, this is like an ugly URL, but if you advertise outside Amazon or you want to create a nicer look URL, what you can do is just like have your brand name, let's say for example like these guys, and just put it like that. Sorry, that didn't work. Let's try to find some other items. Okay, um, hairbrush. Let's go to these guys. So you put Amazon.com and then your brand name, and it will take you to the storefront. So this is a very, you know, beautiful link URL that you can add. Sorry, you don't see it. Now you should see it. You see? So you have the URL. So you go Amazon.com / the brand name. In your case, it will be your brand name. Okay? So just take it down again. Store version. So I don't know, this is kind of new, but when you actually submit, you make your changes in your storefront and you're ready, you have to publish it for approval. So Amazon team, their editorial team, will review your storefront, and if it looks okay and you're not really violating any of their guidelines, they will approve your store. Normally it takes like 24 hours. Now, what you can do is it can help you save time and approve a store to a specific event and then publish it quickly when the event comes without waiting for approval. So let's say and pretend that you worked on creating a beautiful storefront for Black Friday with the Black Friday elements and banners and designs. Now if you gonna come the same day of Black Friday and just publish those designs, it will take probably 24 hours to them to approve it, and then all the work you did was for nothing because the shoppers didn't really see it on time. So what they came up with is store version. So you can create today the version with the Black Friday elements, submit it for approval, and then just change it to the previous version, and when you're actually ready to make it live, the Black Friday version, you can do so. How you do it is you go here to versions. Now, since this feature came, I didn't add any other version, but when this version that I just submitted will go live, I will be able to revert back quickly to the other version that I had before publishing this one. So this is a great feature that they released that could save you time and be more prepared every time, so you don't need to do everything the last minute. Okay, so that's it for now. If you have questions or if you want me to make another video on features that I didn't cover here, please let me know down below in the comments. Please smash the like button if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel if you didn't subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.